Hi everyone, it's Donna from Hollywood, California. It's not just paint, it's art by Donna. But happy Easter, because that's how I started out with my Easter pour. This is my Easter pour, and I have been cooking all day, so that's why I'm late in, well, you won't know I'm late, but I know I'm late in putting this together. And so happy Easter, everyone. I hope you're all with where you want to be today. So what I'm doing here is, well, you know what? Let me surprise you. But I just wanted to thank everyone. Over 200 subscribers, which I can thank each and every one of you for that. If it wasn't for you, I wouldn't be here. So I appreciate each and every one of you. Thank you very much. I appreciate every comment I get, every thumbs up, and I just want you to know I do read every comment. I try and answer each and every one of you. If I don't, I'm sorry if I miss it. I don't miss it purposely. Sometimes it just slips through the cracks. So what I have on the bottom here, this is emerald green mixed in with some white. I wanted it to look a little Eastery. So that's what we have down here. And the top is Artist Loft white. And I'm gonna take the bubbles out in a second. Because I have a lot of bubbles because I just mixed up a little more to do this pour here. And my hands are filled with paint. A few minutes ago they were not. I had my gloves on, but now I don't. So just bear with me. Oh, I also want to thank everyone from Instagram. Over 800 subscribers on Instagram. I can't believe it. That's just like totally amazes me. I'm so happy about that too. It warms my heart. It really does. To think that I could have come this far in such a short time. Learning a new craft after all these years. But this is something I really enjoy, and I hope you see that through my art. Last few days I had my two granddaughters here. You saw one of them, Rachel. I haven't put together my other, haven't put together the other one. The other two that I have from Ariana. I'll be doing that in the next few days. But that was a lot of fun too. She's a little shyer, so you won't be seeing or hearing much of her, but believe me, she's there. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to be using Atelier Free Flow Cobalt Turquoise Light, Atelier Free Flow Dioxazine Purple, Deco Art Metallics Bright, and this is Soft Gold. What else do we have here? Oh, Extreme Sheen, Deco Art Extreme Sheen Copper. And then I have, which I'll probably be using, a little of the Liquitex Light Pink. And that was already mixed up. So let me start out with this. And I'm just going to start out with one flower, and we'll see how it goes from there. I'm just going to layer a few colors. And then I'm going to, whoops, I did not want that much. I did not want that much. Let me put a little more of this now. Put a drop of white in that too. Yeah. So I'm going to walk over to the other side, and I'm going to get my straw. Happy Easter, everyone. Have a great day. This is Donna from Hollywood, California, signing off. Bye-bye now.